A common question people ask is, can you run a DNA testing business remotely? The answer is yes, absolutely. And today I'm going to break down exactly how that works. So whether you're curious about starting a DNA testing business, already running one, or just wondering how remote friendly this industry is, this video is going to give you a whole new perspective. So running a DNA testing business doesn't require you to physically collect samples, meet clients in person, or sit in the office all day. With today's technology, national collector networks, and automation and AI tools, this business can be operated almost entirely from a laptop or phone. Besides you training someone, there are certified DNA collectors located all over the United States. And they already have the training experience and even know how to perform chain of custody collections for legal and court admissible DNA tests. Also, your lab will usually have a network of collection sites that they are partnered with that you can send clients to. And if a test requires blood, for example, gender reveals or non-invasive prenatal paternity tests, you can simply locate a nearby draw site or locate a phlebotomist in the area. Now, if you plan to do this business remotely without an office, you can hire a virtual assistant who will answer phone and email inquiries, schedule appointments, explain test types, provide pricing, follow up with leads, and coordinate with DNA collectors, phlebotomists, draw sites, and collection sites. Once your systems are in place, your physical location becomes irrelevant. You can live abroad, travel full time, or have the business operate fully while you are running another business. The only things you may personally need to do occasionally is check business accounts, check in with your team, pay business bills, and make high-level business decisions, and handling rare escalations or unusual client situations. But daily operations, fully outsourceable. That means answering calls, setting up appointments, and coordinating everything for your clients. You won't need to do any of those things. And that's what makes the DNA testing business one of the most remote-friendly businesses. The key is structure, systems, platforms, and automations. If you want a hands-off DNA testing business, your backend has to be built correctly. So what that would look like is a CRM to track leads, clients, and orders, autoresponders for texts and emails, payment processors, contract and document systems like DocuSign, online scheduling platforms, cloud storage to safely store files and back things up, lab portal for submissions, and with AI tools and automations, your business can respond to leads instantly, speak to clients with automated chat, send instructions automatically, trigger reminders for appointments, provide updates without human involvement, and AI tools and automations reduce manual work, prevent errors, and make remote management effortless. SOPs, standard operating procedures. This is the glue that holds your operations together. This is how you train new staff, because your team needs to follow a documented process. Every step should be written out. Anyone should be able to join and perform the job. And those things are exactly what SOPs do. SOPs make your business scalable and effortless for your team to run. This is how you remove yourself from daily operations completely. Most people don't realize this, but DNA testing fits perfectly into remote entrepreneurship. The entire remote model is just coordination based. This business is a business that you can easily structure for remote operation. It's one of the few industries where a business can operate whether you're at home, abroad, traveling, running a different business, or working a job. So final answer, yes, you can run a DNA testing business remotely. With the right systems in place, a DNA testing business becomes simple to automate and easy to delegate. You only need proper structure, the right platforms, clear SOPs, a reliable team, and automations and AI. When those things are in place, the business can be managed entirely from a laptop or phone, from anywhere in the world. So if someone asks you, can you run a DNA testing business remotely? Tell them yes. And it's one of the best businesses to do so. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did and want to learn how to structure your operations, build a remote team, set up AI automations, and start your own remote DNA testing business from scratch, I left a link in the description below where you can apply to work with me directly. But other than that, I thank you for watching till the end. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.